Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. It's our 2015 Audi A1. It's the 1.4 TFSI C.o.d engine, which is a cylinder on demand, which shuts down, giving you excellent MPG and only £30 road tax. This car's one private keeper. It is the Sporback model, so you've got the 5 doors. Only covered 15,000 miles. It does benefit from a full Audi service history, and it does have an active prepaid 5-year 50,000 mile Audi service plan, so your next service will be free of charge. As I said earlier, it's in Nano grey metallic, nice rare colour. It does have the LED daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights, LED rear lights. It's got the all important comfort pack on this car and a really nice upgrade, which does gain you acoustic rear parking, cruise control, it's high beam assist, it has an auto dimming rear view mirror, auto lights and rain wiper sensors, and a driver information system. It's also got the electronic climate control upgrade, so it does have climate control rather than the standard air conditioning which these do come with. All the alloy wheels are unmarked. We've actually had 2 brand new tyres fitted on the car. And as we go round, you'll see it's absolutely gleaming, and it's a really nice unique colour, this Nano grey metallic. One of the popular new style colours. Excellent specifications on these. Half leather S-line sports seats. It does have the Audi Drive Select, so you can have different configure different driving options. It's got Bluetooth music streaming, Bluetooth phone preparation. It's also got DAB radio, and there you can see the LED daytime running lights on the facelift model. Absolutely stunning. Look forward to hearing